All right, guys, well, it's the moment of truth on the patch potatoes. So we're gonna start digging these up and see what we get. They honestly didn't do very good, but we're learning. So I think there's too much organic in the ground because we planted the potatoes where we feed the cows. We're gonna give her a shot. I'm gonna dig them up with the backhoe. The ground underneath where the potatoes are is super hard. I think that's part of the reason they didn't do so well. So I'm gonna hop on the backhoe. I got Chris here helping me and we'll see what we get. Is that one potato? That is one potato. I don't know much about growing potatoes, but that is one potato. I don't know what that means. So here is our bountiful harvest. That's maybe 20, 30 pounds. Maybe another 10 or 20 pounds. So what we learned about raising potatoes, we don't know how to raise potatoes. I think what happened is the ground was too hard. This ground's never been farmed before, and this is where I feed cows, so I think it's was pretty compacted. And I didn't get it dug deep enough, and there's way too much organic here. So I think soil prep is the problem, and we'll probably try again next year. So anyway, thanks for watching.